Less than a week after being diagnosed with brain cancer, Arizona Senator John McCain returns to Washington today to vote on health care legislation. Yesterday, President Trump said the Senate must take action.
Any senator who votes against starting debate is telling America that you are fine with the Obamacare nightmare.
Senators will vote on whether to start debate on the Republican health care bill that passed the House to repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act. But with all Democrats opposed, it would take only 3 Republicans to stop the bill from proceeding, and at least 10 Republican senators are wavering or have already announced they're against the bill.
I want it to be a clean repeal, but this bill doesn't do it. Theirs is an enormous insurance bailout, and I'm not for that.
That legislation being proposed is the cruelest, most destructive, and irresponsible piece of legislation ever brought to the United States Senate.
If the vote is successful, senators can then start proposing amendments to create a bill that could possibly pass.
The only way we'll have an opportunity to consider ideas is if senators are allowed to offer and debate them.
In the meantime, the president's son-in-law and senior White House advisor Jared Kushner meets with House Intelligence Committee members today who are investigating Russian interference in the 2016 election. Kushner was grilled by the Senate Intelligence Committee yesterday. He acknowledged meeting with influential Russians 4 times during the campaign and transition, but denies any collusion.
I did not collude with Russia, nor do I know of anyone else in the campaign who did so. I have not relied on Russian funds for my businesses.
Tomorrow, Donald Trump Jr. and former campaign manager Paul Manafort meet with the Senate Judiciary Committee, also behind closed doors.